Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy shares in Anno 1800. So when it comes to buying shares, I'm currently playing against 3 of the AI just here, and we can see they've actually built up some quite substantial cities. But when it comes to buying shares, if you want to buy shares in their islands, all you have to do is come up to the top here, and where it's got this little function here, it says shares overview, you click on that, and we can see right now that they currently have 5 shares on this island, the value of which is currently 214,000 coins per share. I don't currently have that money. However, if I go over to one of these smaller islands here that is less developed, and we click this button just here, we can see on this one, again, I don't currently have the funds. This one's 186,000, and this is quite a built-up city. However, if we now go to a smaller one, so for example, this one that's not particularly built up at all, we can see again on this shares functionality that actually the buy function is available. And if I hover over them, we can see right now that the coins value is about 14,000. If I go ahead and click on this, I then have the option to buy this share for 14,010 influence. And if I go ahead and press yes, we then lose 2 reputation with her in this instance. So there we go, we've gone ahead and bought that share. You will see now obviously that I have about a 10-minute blackout before I'm allowed to buy more shares. Once I've completed buying all of the shares over, say, a period of an hour, then I will come to completely own this island, but that will come at quite a substantial reputation cost between me and the owner. And that, guys, is how you buy shares in Anno 1800. I hope this tutorial has helped.